Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. We have the entire crypto market dumping today. We're going to talk about Dogecoin though, which is down 12%. The entire market is dumping. We have Bitcoin down to $97,000. The reason everything is dumping is because Trump announced that tariffs are coming for Mexico, China, and Canada on Tuesday. Now, these tariffs are going to cause some pain for the US economy in the short term. He hopes it will cause a lot of positive benefits in the long term. However, that short term, pain we're experiencing right now in crypto, which it shouldn't really be affecting crypto. However, as I'm sure most of you know by now, whenever anything affects the US economy, the US stock market, it will affect crypto as well. So that's just the pain we're having to deal with right now. The S&P will probably also be crashing tomorrow, so just prepare for that. We might see a slightly bigger crash tomorrow, not bigger than this what we've seen right now, but probably we will come back down slightly more. And I know a lot of people have been losing. However, we have been absolutely crushing inside of the Discord regardless of the dump. So if you have been losing on trades or you want to start winning, then check out the Discord down below. You can see on the screen right now just how many wins we're getting, and if you want to be a part of that team, just join up. First link in the description, super easy. Now, if you remember a few videos ago, we actually talked about Dogecoin being at a strong support level, which was this support right here, which technically it was. However, we didn't expect these fundamental news to come out of the tariffs being enforced so early on, and maybe they would have been negotiated down. However, that is not the case, and that's what's caused the dump. Now, I did sort of go into very big detail on that when I was recording previously, but my PC crashed, so if that doesn't deserve a like for re-recording this, I don't know what does. So please make sure to like and subscribe also. But regardless, yeah, we were on this really strong support, which we bounced from multiple times, even recently here, and it looked like everything was going to come back up, and we're really going to start the bull market again. However, that doesn't seem to be the case anymore, especially with Bitcoin dominance being up nearly 4% today, and it looks like it's going to break through into another high. So it's really not looking good right now. Again, we're going to bounce back from this. We always do. It's times of pain where we will usually buy, and when everybody's expecting the bull market to carry on, go further, that's when we're usually selling. So this is just presenting another buy opportunity for us. And if you remember a few videos ago, we talked about how Dogecoin, if it does dump through this level, how it's probably going to go down to like 24-22 cents, somewhere around here, and that seems to be the case right now. We obviously have this wick low right here, which it's probably going to touch very soon at like 26.5 cents. However, the main zones that we have is this previous resistance zone at 23 cents really. So I think that's what we're going to come down to on Dogecoin. I would just quickly run through a few other altcoins that have been dumping that I think are quite good buys. ETH is one of them, has dumped to this level, hasn't dumped as much as other altcoins, however it's still quite a good buy. Solana, we've talked about this, should have been using this as a support. Now it might use 207, however I don't think that will be the case. We'll probably come back down to like 184. AVAX has been absolutely dumping. We haven't entered any positions yet, however it will probably dump down to like $22. Polkadot, another coin, it looks like it can now come down. It's still at a support, but it looks like it could come down to this green zone, which we haven't been in since November, where we were previously accumulating dot. Other coins like Render also looks like it can come back down to this zone in November. It's been absolutely dumping. One of the best coins to ever be released in my opinion is dumping this much. I think it will be a good buy. Polygon, again, dumping a lot. Yeah, I mean really unexpected for a lot of coins. It might come down to like 30 cents here, 28 cents. Fetch, another coin, it's actually down to where we were previously accumulating back in August. So yeah, so many coins are down, and down to levels that we've not seen in a very long time. Sui, another coin, this has been performing really well. However, obviously it's dumping with the market. Looks like it will probably come down to $3.25, maybe just sub $3. XRP still quite high up, but obviously has seen the dump down to $2.60. Maybe we'll drop down to like $2.38. The lowest, maybe $1.84. Absolute lowest. HBAR again at a strong support level, so maybe we'll see some sort of bounce there. Everything though relies on Bitcoin and how this reacts. Now there is a strong support right here, or at $98,250 for Bitcoin. So if we're able to hold this, then it looks quite good. If not, then we'll probably come back down to like 92,000. But yeah, overall it won't be looking too good for altcoins. We'll probably see another 10% dip on altcoins if that does happen. So hopefully we do hold this level right here and are able to see some sort of bounce. Now, the tariffs come out on Tuesday. Tomorrow is Monday, obviously, when the S&P opens. The S&P will probably dump a bit also, and the stock market and crypto market are directly correlated. So when the stock market is dumping, usually crypto will see a dump as well, unless there's some positive news. So I highly doubt that Trump is going to release some positive news tomorrow on crypto, unless, you know, magically he does, in which case hopefully we'll see a slight pump, or at worst, you know, just a consolidation where we don't really dump. But regardless, it's not been a good day, a good weekend, or a good week for crypto. It's been quite treacherous, to be honest. So what we're looking for on Dogecoin is probably coming down to these levels for further accumulations. You know, I wouldn't really be looking at buy positions here. We do have, however, a fair value gap right here. So maybe we'll come down, fill 50%, even 100%, and then we can actually see the bounce. And then we can look for longs, something like that. The one thing to remember though is when we do come down to these levels, you know, targets just targeting the previous highs that we had, they're giving us like 100-200% profit on a lot of altcoins. So it's really worthwhile looking into accumulating even on spot. But again, if you want to, you know, risk it slightly more, you can go for futures as well and try and leverage trade these. So yeah, that's definitely what we're going to be looking into. The market does look really good in terms of trade capabilities right now and opportunities that it's presenting. So we're definitely going to be watching for something to happen here at these levels. The only issue is that obviously we've seen a huge dump today and just throughout the week, and on a lot of coins we're in this sort of no man land, whereas on other altcoins we're at a strong support zone. So it'll be interesting to see whether all altcoins will bounce, or whether some will bounce, some will carry on falling, or whether everything will keep on falling. Bitcoin dominance slightly slowing down now, down 0.5% since we've talked about it. It's really not looking good for dominance here. You know, we need this to dump. It's not dumping right now. If you don't know, then when dominance is dropping, altcoins are pumping. When dominance is pumping, altcoins are dropping, and that's what we're seeing right now. Huge drop off. The only kind that's up is actually Rune, and Rune's actually not even up that much. It's, you know, been down like 80% this week, 90% this week. So yeah, not looking good for Rune, but I mean, the entire crypto market's not looking good. As long as Bitcoin is able to hold over this like $98,000 area, then hopefully we'll be good. I mean, a wick is slowly starting to build up, so maybe there is some buys coming in here. Yeah, I mean, it's just what we're gonna have to wait and watch out for on these coins. Now, if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to be getting trades sent to you every single day, then check out the Discord down below. If you need a place to buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrency for the lowest fees, the best sign up rewards, then check out all the exchanges we're working with down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.